Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to write songs using Google Bard. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. Envision this scenario. You are yearning for a rap track that pays tribute to the iconic Michael Jackson. With Google Bard as your creative partner, the process evolves into a harmonious blend of imagination and originality. Expertly frame your request, providing the platform the opportunity to tap into its musical ingenuity. For instance, you could ask, compose a rap song that captures the essence of Michael Jackson's musical genius. The result? A lyrical masterpiece emerges, seamlessly fusing rhythm and rhyme to honor Jackson's profound influence. Although Google Bard's musical creations may not rival those of renowned artists, they present a distinct fusion of AI-driven inventiveness that can ignite inspiration and captivate your mind. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.